14 supo, 14 bora.
My nigga.
Isi ubu yarahindutse.
Yeah.
Sivyo? Isi ubu yarahindutse. Sasa isi yarahindutse bisigura yuko amafaranga aguma agira ikibazo aganza abantu.
Exactly.
Kuruca urukundo.
Yeah.
Kuko sinzi kumaze kwibona unye urukundo ntabwo ruri enough.
Exactly.
Mu bantu ku bantu babiri ata kintu gihari gishobora gutuma noneho urwo rukundo rugira
atamafaranga. Let's go straight to the point.
Atamafaranga.
Yeah.
Unaona?
Wewe nikuulize. Wewe ukipata sugar mami unaweza cheat dem yako ama unaweza kuja umwambie na akikubali utalala na huyo sugar mami. Mimi
nitaweza kuja nimwambie kama tuna do nimba hata mafaranga dufise. Noneho nje nkari umushuga mami. Me I can just come and talk to my girlfriend. And if she's ready, if she's ready for that thing.
What if she's not?
Mimi jewe umukuzi wanje ambia ati bebe nta kibazo, we need money, just go beat her and bring the money.
Fisi wewe.
Me I can go and I take the sugar mommy, and I tell her nitakuwa namuoa kwa bedi hapana kwa kumuua.
Mimi sipendi sugar daddies. I would never. Ukinipata na baba yako kill me. I would never go to sugar daddies. But if that's the kind of person I am, like I'm a shameless girl, I can do anything, sintafanya. But for me myself, siwezi shindo kwa jina la Yesu.
And boyfriend yako anakuja kuambia kama hiyo.
Yeye amepata sugar mami.
Yeye ndo amepata sugar mami.
Unaniletea ugonjwa za kitambo, za wazee. Excuse you.
Unaona, amesema yeye iko ready kudu hiyo kitu. Yavuze ngo yuko ari ready kubikora.
No!
Ariko avuze yuko umushari we atomwemerera ko abikora.
I've been to calm down, bro. I said, as for me personally, I cannot sleep with a sugar daddy. I cannot sleep with somebody's father. No.
Umukuzi wanje avyemeye. Ngiye uyo mushuga mami namukubita.
Hello.
No mafata amafaranga nkayazana. Tukaryoherwa. Me, Alvin, as me, I'm ready to beat a sugar mommy because of money. But God. If... Salut tout le monde, hello everybody, because this emission, in English.
Good.
This show, yes. This show is not just for Burundian, this show is for East Africa community, not just East Africa community, it's for everybody in this world. That's why you guys, we try to mix English, just English, Swahili, and the Kirundi.
Calm down.
Salut, mumeze gute, mumeze neza. C'est Alvin Smith, la vache originale, l'homme qui traverse la mer sans bateau, rappeur sans cœur ni père mais soit gars.
Okay.
Uno musi rero tujya dukore parlosa. Last time narakoze ikiganiro, but mimi sikuonekana kwa kamera, and I was like no. This time niko na mrembo, niko na msupa. Nikasema siezi just ask question without me kuonekana naye. Samahani manze. 14 supo, 14 bora. Yes, my people from Burundi, my people from Kenya, my people from Rwanda, my people from Congo, my people from Tanzania. This is for you guys. Leo tutafanya show inaitwa Let's Talk. Yeah, in French is parlons-en. Sasa we're gonna try to discuss
about different things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but love.
Yeah.
For now.
About love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sasa guys, kwa mapenzi kuna kwa challenge mingi. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Sasa leo mimi nitasema topic, tutatumia topic, then tuta try kujadiliana to discuss about it. Okay. Tukulia detective kama. Huyu mubona ataza kujitambulisha first.
Yeah. So my name is Barlene. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, on Facebook as well. Those are the 3 platforms that I'm available on. And this here is my friend, my nigga. So we're gonna have a talk with you guys. Watch and subscribe. Yeah.
Hey, by the way, she know to speak Kirundi. Don't worry,
Yeah,
guys.
the Murundi.
Yes.
The Murundi
Nimubone too much English and much yeah, that's Kenyan woman. She speak good English. No, she speak good English and Swahili, but she's Burundian.
Yeah.
Narababwiye iyi Kenya tugiye kwivanga turanone tuzayigaburamo hagati n'abarundi. Uzabarundi bari nga. Let's go. Sasa, yeah, okay, topic ni sivyo. Hii topic nitaisema kwa Kirundi and then wewe utafuna kwa English, but kwa kudiscuss wewe utaza kulensi kwa Kiswahili na English cause Burundian people wanaelewa Kiswahili na English and mimi nitaongea kwa Kirundi ili Burundian people wangu waelewe.
Yeah.
Sieti? Sasa Berlin, listen. Unaona in love kuna kwa challenge mingi.
Yeah.
You know that? And kama in love kuna kwa challenge mingi, wewe boyfriend yako.
Yeah.
Anakuja. And anakwambia, babe, wallahi I'm so sorry. Yesterday I was drunk. Nimekuwa nimelewa, narimborewe.
Yeah.
And then nikakuta nimekucheat without my
concern.
Yes. Sasa anakuja kukwambia hivyo. What you gonna do? Anakubwira ati nagucheatize mugabo, nagucheatize ntavyi sinarinda bishaka. Nyene vyarabaye urakubya kuntu umuntu yaba yanyoye usanga koze ibintu bitabaho.
Ninzoga niko bavuga sivyo? Ninzoga zatumye ndabikora.
Okay.
Okay.
Ubishatamo gute?
Actually I don't drink. So when that comes, I'm going to feel like inzoga zirakuganza, you understand? Like you are being driven by, alcohol. So I'm not going to just, take it personal. First of all, I'm just going to understand you, because if I didn't take an action, nikwambie pombe ni mbaya na tukae chini tujadiliane na uache pombe. So like that's a bit of my mistakes, but it depends na your relationship imekaa for how long, unajua? Ndio
5 years tuseme hivi.
What the hell?
And in 5 years leo nakuja nakwambia kama hiyo kitu imehappen.
And has it been happening? Like imekuwa happening?
No, imekuwa first time ina happen.
See, pombe utaacha my love. Pombe utaacha, because there is no way, because if it's just the first time, it's going to happen again.
Yeah.
That's one thing. And since that it's 5 years of relationship or marriage, I don't know. Akenshi haragera igihe abantu bakundanye bagatangura kumva mengo bahaganye. You feel like you're so like you don't feel your partner anymore.
Yes.
So it might be that thing. Ibirashobora kuba ari ibyo biciye mu yo nzira.
No, yeah. Bon, jewe meaning nashaka kwivugamo kuko biciye mu yo nzira ariko mwabuhanye already tutabura yuko yamaze kukuruha. That's why no, dizo yuko mwari mukundana mwari mu rukundo. And then yarakunda gusoga enda kanyuzoga mugabo yesterday byaramubaye ko none asanga yaguchitize. That's why today yajara bikubwira.
Birambabaza, yes, but as a grown person and as a long-term relationship, we need to sit down and discuss. Yeah, kubera ni ibintu bibaye rimwe kandi niba ari mistake reka twicare tuvugane. Niba tari kuruhana bimwe byo kuruhana bibiri kuba reka twicare tuvugane, hama niba ari inzoga zireke tafadhali.
Ariko wo mubabarira.
Yes, no mubabarira ariko biciye mu zindi nzira. I don't know, it would take some time for me to understand, because I wasn't with you in the club and you cheated on me. So I will understand you for some reasons, but at the same time we will have to discuss na utata pombe.
Yeah. Guys, abantu muri comment, umugore wawe arajara kubwiye ngo yagucheatinze. Mwanamke wako anakuja nakwambia kama anikucheat yesterday,
no, but your husband.
Nauliza wanaume, wewe umenijibu like a woman.
Okay.
Na wa woman wengine wataza kujibu kwa comment wakasema mimi tazafanya hivi. Hiyo kitu iki happen kwa husband yangu. Sasa na wanaume nawauliza, nyinyi wanaume demu yako anakuja nakwambia hivyo, utafanya nini? Tunataka utie comment hapo kwa comment section. Ukomante, uvuga ati jewe mimi hiyo kitu ki happen kwa demu yangu nitaweza kureact hivi, nikareact hivi. Hiyo ni nani ya kwanza. Ya pili. Ya pili ni hii. Unanielewa? Unaona dunia isi ubu yarahindutse.
Yeah.
Sivyo? isi yiwe yarahindutse. Sasa isi yarahindutse bisigura yuko amafaranga aguma agira ikibazo aganza abantu kuruca urukundo. Kuko sinzi kumaze kwibona unye urukundo ntabwo ruriye nafu mu bantu ku bantu babiri, ata kintu gihari gishobora gutuma noneho urwo rukundo rugira
ata amafaranga. Let's go straight to the point.
Ata amafaranga. Unaona? Kwa Nyawele Kiswahili Kirundi tunasema this generation
people love money, people are being controlled by money, a lot of people, and in relationships tunajipata kama relationships zinabomoka because of money, you know, lack of money. You find another man who has money and you're gone. So that's what we want to talk about.
Unaona muruva rero noneho umusheri wawe aragukunda cyane, wewe urankunda cyane, ariko I don't have money.
You don't have money.
I don't have money.
But you're my boyfriend.
But you love me and I love you too. Sasa na wewe kuna hari izindi bezwe ubushaka ubufise, hari ibindi bintu ubushaka nyene gukora mu buzima, ariko bikanga kubikora kuri yuko nta mafaranga ufise and generally nta mafaranga ufise. Noneho umukobwa araronse boyfriend, no araronse mu sugar daddy. Sivyo? Araronse mu sugar daddy. Ashobora kumuha amafaranga and amafaranga kayazana no mu rukundo. Sivyo? Kugira ngo ibintu bishobore gukomeza.
That's a good point.
Sasa rero uje kumubwira umugenzi wawe, umusheri wawe, sivyo? Uje kumubwira umusheri wawe yuko no nidufata uko, ahubwo vyogenda gute wewe uraronse mu sugar daddy araje kudraga, afite amafaranga
afite mu boyfriend,
ufite mu boyfriend, afite amafaranga ashobora gutuma muhibye urukundo rwanyu none urugera kure, sivyo? Wewe nakubajije
how do I do?
Jewe nka jewe umusheri wawe aronse mu sugar mami ashobora kumuha amafaranga, and je ndaza kwishura nk'umukobwa wanje aje kumbwira yuko yaronse mu sugar daddy, yo mu amafaranga.
Okay, so
bigeza gute kuri side yawe?
You mean okay, he's saying if a sugar daddy comes and maybe we are dating and a sugar daddy comes in and then he starts offering me money, would I tell him? Would I discuss that with him? That's the question. So here is the answer. First of all, nitakuja nimwambie, because I'm in love and I'm respectful. That's one thing about me. Like, we are talking about real life, yeah?
But for you can do it? You can do it?
I'll just come to you directly before I take the offer. Me as me. I don't know about other girls. But that depends how you treat me in the relationship. You might be, kuna wale ma boyfriends wenye nisiwahi kuona na kijana, nisiwahi sikia anything, like you are toxic and you are too much into me. And you are jealous. Unajua. But kuna ile couple we are best friends. Come on, anything you talk to me, you know? So it depend na ni relationship gani yenye tuko ndani. So if we are best friends and like you are my man and I love you, you love me, we open to each other, nitakuja nikwambia sasa babe, man, mimi nimepata kishuga daddy man. So ananiambia like atanipia mado and everything. So the answer that you'll give me is what I'm going to work with, cause like unaweza niambia sasa babe, first of all we are broke, we need money, we need to buy this and this and this, and sasa hii ni opportunity, yeah? How about uchukue tu opportunity? Lakini unajua sugar daddies wako na vitu zao. Hey,
and you guys, and you guys, you have to sleep together.
Exactly. And maybe I can't do that.
How? Kandi unaona umuntu ashobora amafaranga yiwe akakupea hiyo do, and hiyo do hata ikupea afu wewe umnyime usimpewe sugar daddy, hiyo do itakuisha and tomorrow utamhitajia. Utaniambia kama every day atakupea tu do without give him something like exchange.
Exactly. So when we talk about real life, real like life with girls go through that a lot. Wanna go through that a lot, and most of them hawaambiangi ma boyfriends zao juu wanajua ati huyu jamaa ataniacha, juu like feelings zitaanza kufail once and nasikia you are sharing your girl. That's wrong. So once that happens, most of the girls hawaambiangi. But as for me I'll share with my man. Like if I'll share with him I would share with him.
Yemeye cyangwa atemeye ariko harabimubwira tukamubwira ati
ndabimubwira ya before ndamwishyura mu sugar daddy ndamuhinyisha yose nimekubali ama nimekata nitamwambia kwanza boyfriend yangu so that we agree on everything in case yeah, so that's my answer I think, but people think differently, musini judge juu kila mtu akona opinions zake.
Maana sasa boyfriend yako akisema no problem baby, let's get the money and you ready,
we're gonna con that sugar daddy nigga, we're gonna con him, tutamcon na tutasave
and they will sleep with him,
of course, if that's the thing, kama tusha agree sisi wote sasa.
You
see yes. Okay, tusikwe wewe ni boyfriend yangu,
yeah,
umeagree niko na nimepata sugar daddy, wewe umeagree, sasa tunakula hiyo do ama is it hard
me as a man, I think yuko naje umukobwa wanje aje kumbwira umugore wanje cyangwa umushiri wanje aje kumbwira ngo yarose umusugar daddy, nimba je ndi broke, wewe wavuze ngo ushura kwemera umugabo yemeye wowe uri ready. Me I think yuko
depends with the person I am. For me sipendi sugar daddies, I would never. Ukinipata na baba yako kill me, I would never go to sugar daddies. But if that's the kind of person I am, like I'm a shameless girl, I can do anything, sintafanya. But for me myself, siwezi shindo kwa jina la Yesu.
And boyfriend yako anakuja kwambia kama hiyo
yeye amepata sugar mami,
yeye ndo amepata sugar mami,
unaniletea ugonjwa za kitambo za wazee, excuse you.
Unaona amesema yeye iko ready kudu hiyo kitu, yavuze ngo yuko ari ready kubikora, ariko avuze yuko umushari we atomwemerera ko abikora.
Calm down bro, I said as for me personally, yeah, I cannot sleep with a sugar daddy. I cannot sleep with somebody's father. No. Okay?
Yes.
No. Unless that's a single father and wants a proper relationship with me. But if it's a sugar daddy, I grown my father's age, no. I can't do that. But I'm talking about other girls, like girls in general. But for me, I cannot sleep with a sugar daddy unless I'm somebody else. Does that make sense?
Bisigura yuko na wewe umusheri wawe aje kubwira ko yaronse umushinga mami ntushaka kumwemerera.
I cannot.
Ufumubwira ayo mahera.
Hizo ni laana. Tafuteni pesa pamoja, struggle together. Stop sugar mummies and sugar daddies.
Guys, nyinyi watu mko mna watch hii show sana.
Wewe nikuulize. Wewe ukipata sugar mami, unaweza cheat dem yako ama unaweza kuja umwambie na akikubali utalala na huyo sugar mami.
Mimi nitaweza kuja nimwambie kama tuna do nimba hata mafaranga dufise. No jenga rumu sugar mami. Me I can just come and talk to my girlfriend, and if she's ready, if she's ready for that thing.
What if she's not?
Mimi jewe umukuzi wanje ambia ati babe na kibazo, we need money, just go beat her and bring the money.
Fisi wewe.
Me I can go and I take the sugar mommy, and I tell her nitakuwa.
Why?
No, cause already nina target ni
so unamulia nini?
Ni ku make money. Si ndo nasema.
Ama unamuua kwa bed?
Namuua kwa bed, hapana kwa kumuua. Kumina supu. No, seriously guys, me as me. Sorry. Ntabwo ndabikora.
Ukijana ni fisi.
Mimi fisi. Sasa sinakuwa niko na confirmation ya girlfriend wangu already.
Niko na sugar mami nikupe.
Nitamuuliza girlfriend wangu. No, nitaza kumuuliza girlfriend wangu mimi jena aroso sugar mami and ambie ukunuku. Babe ubona gute? Kandi we need money. Toshaka gusafira, toshaka kubaho neza. Unaona couple yari yose hari amafaranga. Couple irasa neza. Iranajyoha. Wallahi couple yari yose hata amafaranga hari is difficult guys. Sasa mimi as a man, me Alvin Smith la version original. Panakuja sugar mami, haraje sugar mami, sivyo? And then anambia ati Alvin, you see mimi nje na kumukuzi wangu. And then umukuzi wanje avyemeye. Nje uyo mushuga mami na mukubita.
Hello.
No, napata amafaranga nkayazana. Tukaryoherwa. Sivyo? umunsi wambwiye yo baby amafaranga yakwiye ivyo vyihorera rero dukomeze ubuzima tuzakomeza ubuzima ko de toute façon ni wewe kabisa kuko de toute façon no wangiye no kubikora ivyo ngivyo kugira ngo dushobore kubaho jewe na wewe kuko yaba shaka kubaho jewe gusa nariko nkabikora nkakuzanya amafaranga ariko nimba nashoye kunushaka kubikubwira ni hahandi communication couple jewe me Alvin as me I'm ready to beat a sugar mommy because of money. But if njewe n'umugore wanje twavyemeraniye.
Yes. Oh yeah, you and your wife.
Yes.
Okay, guys, one thing about me, I'm a soft girl. I love money. I'm not a huge fan of money, but if money comes, I love money, okay? But I hate how money comes. Nachukia venye pesa hufanywa kazi. I love when money is made in the right way.
Hujawahi kucheat?
Sijawahi cheat. I'll never.
Hujawahi hata kucheat kwa ndoto? Nturigera ucheat
kwa ndoto?
Kwa dream umelala and ukaota umecheat.
What the fuck is this guy saying? Well, kwa ndoto? Hey! Unacheatingi kwa ndoto?
Hapana. It's just question. Just question.
Anyway,
guys, you are here. You watch the show now. Uri kuraba interview now and wewe ari wewe. As you, what you gonna do? Haje musheri wawe kukubwira yuko yaronse umushuga mami cyangwa umushuga daddy?
Yeah, so we already told you. So what should you say? What do you say?
Wokwemera ko umugabo wawe agenda kuryamana n'uyo mushuga mami kugira ngo aronke amahera mu ayazane. Wewe umugabo wokwemera ko umugore wawe agenda kuryamana n'umushuga daddy kugira ngo uyo umugore wawe azana amafaranga mu rugo cyangwa ntimuvyemera mukavuga ati turondera amafaranga.
Jenda kunda amafaranga ariko saya abashuga daddy. Thank you. I love money. I love money. I don't like broke ass men.
I love money and I'm ready to do anything for money.
But
not kill someone. But bro. Bye guys. See you to the next interview. You guys, if you want, nimushaka yuko hariyo topic muzatuza kuvuganirako uyishire ngaho kuri comment section uvuga ati next time turashaka yuko muzovugane kuvyerekeye ibi nibi. Tubivugana sivyo. Thank you so much guys.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.